Here we have a list with different types of connective tissue. The ones that we'll be covering in this lecture are the ones that have the asterisk on the left side. Now, let's look at this list together. The first one we see listed, it says dense fibrous connective tissue. And it has the word fibrous because it has lots of fibers in it. Now, if you go all the way down in the list, you find here blood and lymph. Now, blood and lymph are liquid, right? So you can conclude that we have liquid connective tissue. But also we have other types of connective tissue that are not liquid, such as this one that says the word fibrous in it. And also you have here the bone tissue. Bone is not liquid at all. And if you think about it, you can conclude that different types of connective tissue will be made by different cell or cells. And also, whatever is surrounding these cells will be different. And the name we give to the material surrounding cells is extracellular matrix. So, depending on the cell or cells, and also on the type of the extracellular matrix, we will have a different connective tissue. And different connective tissues have different properties. As you can see here, we have liquid connective tissue, and we have a very firm connective tissue. So, depending on the cell or cells, and also the composition of the extracellular matrix, the connective tissue will have a different property. Now, we have the cells making up the connective tissue, and in between the cells, you find the extracellular matrix. How do you think this extracellular matrix got there? The extracellular matrix is produced by the cells that are making up the connective tissue, right? So the cells that are making up the connective tissue are the ones that produce and secrete this material to the outside, and that material is what forms the extracellular matrix.